Hi there, students. An acolyte. Acolytes, a noun, a countable noun, a person. I think in its loosest sense we use this word acolyte just to mean followers. Yeah? So the chairman of the company came into the room with his acolytes, his secretary and his chauffeur perhaps. So acolytes are people that help. Yeah? I always get the feeling that if this word is used, it's with a little bit of irony to it, yeah? To follow blindly. I was thinking about using an example of the acolytes who follow my channel, but I don't like the ironic uh, overtone or nuance that it has. Let's see. Technically, an acolyte is somebody who helps a priest in a service. Yeah, the person who holds the book or the person who lights the candles. You'll see the altar boys or the choir. These could be called acolytes. Yeah, they're effectively servants at the altar. Yeah, they do the more menial tasks, and there are different grades of acolyte apparently, particularly in the Catholic Church. So an acolyte, these are, to me it sounds more like the word a flunky, a servant, somebody who does your bidding. Yeah, so the king was surrounded by acolytes to serve on him hand and foot. Yeah, the acolytes, the supporters. Yeah, Mr. Johnson and his acolytes, Bojo and his acolytes, believe that they are going to change the nation for good. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe in the White House, the acolytes of a certain president caused a very serious scene. Okay, so the acolytes, the followers of somebody. Yeah, I don't know. Yes, there was a revolution, and the acolytes of the new leader, yeah, were put in charge. I'm thinking of the Spanish Civil War and General Franco and his acolytes, who were mostly his generals in charge of different areas of the country. Okay, so acolytes are effectively followers. Yeah, I always get the feeling with acolyte there's this overtone of following blindly. Yeah, it has a religious overtone to it as well. Yeah, I like that word overtone for nuance. Okay, so an acolyte. Formality. It sounds a bit literary. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6.5. You might use it in an informal conversation to make a joke or to be ironic. I think probably more commonly in a semi-formal, formal conversation or a semi-formal writing. But beware of the overtones of following blindly. Yeah. And I think it's good to follow people, but I think you should also engage your brain and think about it as well. Yeah, I think somebody who sticks totally to the dogma, yeah, that's to me the idea of an acolyte. As to origin, it's one of these words that comes from French, from Latin, and itself originally from ancient Greek, akoluthos, a follower or an attendant. Yeah, so I guess in ancient times, important people had acolytes, people who believed in what they did and would do any job that they asked of them. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Acolyte.